Hello! How are you? It's me again. Gusto mo bang tumulong sa kapwa mo sa mabuting paraan? Well, panoorin mo 'tong video na 'to dahil para sa'yo 'to. Hello, I'm Rosely Dagsa, an entrepreneur and content creator, passionate about soft skills for empowering minds and transforming lives. So long time ago, I was counted as not a good sister because I didn't help much my siblings financially. Instead, I choose to teach them valuable life lessons. So, hinire ko naman sila sa tindahan ko, but yon, gusto ko silang turuan paano magnegosyo at paano maging resilient sa buhay.